Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to discuss how to generate symbol maps in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two parts. One is the dimension and second is a measure. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this lecture series. Now I want to plot the symbol maps. So it gives an indication that it requires one geo dimension and two measures. So let us pick up one dimension from here and measures. So let us select country from here and sales from here. The multiple selections of the variable can be done with the help of Control tab on your keyboard. Drag it and drop it, and you can see the map is ready. Now I want this sales according to the states. I'll pick up the state and drop it into the detailing, and you can see now. Now I'll pick up the sales from here and drop it into the size. So the size of the circle represents the sales. Bigger the circle, more the sales. Now I'll include one more measure, that is profit, from here and drop it into the color. So the color represents now the profit. So if the color is orange, dark orange, it's a loss. We are making loss in that state. And if it is dark blue, we are making profit. So here, when you hover a mouse on the particular state, this is California, profit is $76,381. Sales is 4,57,688. But here, it's a loss. We are making a loss of minus $25,729. In case, if this dimension is not geographical, we can assign this role by clicking it here and giving the geographical role to it, activate country and region. So make it geographic role as country and region. So this is the way you can generate symbol maps in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the channel.